Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do another unboxing, and it will be the Xiaomi Redmi Go. Xiaomi is India's #1 smartphone brand, as we can see at the box. Now let's look at some specifications real quick. You can pause the video here and read it for yourself. But basically, it's a device with 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The color of the phone is blue. So without further ado, let's open the box and see what's inside. This is the usual paperwork here. We have a SIM injection tool, the user start guide, and the warranty card. They are inside. We see that we have the Indian charging brick and the micro USB cable inside of the box, and there is nothing else. Now let's remove the logo and the stickers on the back of the phone and turn on the device. After removing the stickers, now it's time to set the phone up. We're on the welcome screen. I'm fast forwarding the video because I want you guys to see all the process, all of the setup I do before going to welcome screen. Now that the setup is finished, we are on the home screen and we see that default on this device is the Mint launcher. Obviously here the Android of this device is Android Go. The name of the device is Redmi Go, so it makes sense that the Android of this device is Android Go or Android Oreo, doesn't matter. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi and check the system update if there is any updates available. We have an update, and I'm gonna let that download in the background while we take a look at some other settings. Now let's open the camera app and take a quick look at the settings here on the camera app. Worth mentioning that for this price point, this smartphone has a nice camera to it. I mean, if you start at this price point and you go up to a price of a Samsung Galaxy A10, to me the camera is the same because it's a low-end device. Then it's cool. We can shoot a video, we can take a photo, we have a selfie camera, and basically that is what you look for on a budget smartphone. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.